Good morning, children. Science Term 1, Unit 2, Matter and Materials, Evaluation Part. First, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which of the following are the states of matter? Option A, solid, liquid, water. Option B, solid, liquid, gas. Option C, solid, liquid, wood. Option D, solid, liquid, sugar. Correct answer is option B, solid, liquid, gas. Question number 2. Which of the following is a solid? A, kerosene. B, air. C, water. D, apple. Which of the following is a solid? Answer is apple. Option D, apple. Next 3. Jute fiber is obtained from A, leaf. B, stem. C, flower. D, root. Jute fiber is obtained from option B, stem. Okay, children, please check your answers. Next, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash soil is suitable for growing cotton. Answer, black soil and alluvial soil. Black soil and alluvial soil is suitable for growing cotton. Next question number 2. The process of making cotton yarn from cotton fiber is dash. Making cotton yarn from cotton fiber is spinning process. Spinning. Spinning is the answer. Next question number 3. Ginning is done to separate dash from the seeds. Ginning is done to separate dash from the seeds. Raw fibers. Raw fibers is the answer. Raw fibers. Next question 4. Synthetic fiber is also called dash fiber. Man-made fiber. Answer is man-made. Next question number 5. Woolen clothes are manufactured from dash, plant or animals. Woolen clothes are manufactured from animals. Animals is the answer. Okay, children, I hope you all have written the correct answers. Now check your answers. Next, match the following. One side we have yarn, lint, fabrics, rayon, jute. The other side ginning, spinning, wood pulp, stem, weaving. Yarn. Yarn match with spinning. Next, in the ginning process we get lint. So, lint match with ginning. Next, fabrics. Fabrics, weaving. Fabrics, weaving. Next, rayon. Rayon. Rayon sources wood pulp. Wood pulp. Next, jute. We get jute from stem of the jute plant. Jute match with stem. Okay, children, please check your answers. Now we move on to the say true or false. Say true or false. Number 1. Coir is the outer covering of coconut. Yes, we get coir from outer covering of coconut. Number 1 is true. Number 2. Beans and peas are pulses. Beans and peas are pulses. Yes, it is true. Number 2 is true. Number 3. Table is a household good. Table is a household goods. No, it is wrong. It is false. Question number 4. Sweet corn is not a product of mice. No, sweet corn is one of the product of mice. Sweet corn is not a product of mice. It is false. Question number 5. Cotton balls contain jute fiber. Cotton balls contain jute fiber? No. Cotton balls contain cotton fiber. So, cotton balls contain jute fiber is not true. It is false. Number 5 is false. Well done, children. Now, check your answers. Next, complete the given analogy. Number 1. Solid table dash water. Table is example of solid. Then water is example of, very good, liquid. Liquid is the answer. Liquid. Number 2. Cotton seed dash lint spinning. In the spinning process, we used lint, whereas cotton seed is used in dash process, ginning process. So, the second question answer is ginning. Question number 3. Kaya fiber dash cotton fiber cotton plant. We get cotton fiber from cotton plant. Then kaya fiber get from coconut. Very good. Coconut is the answer. Third question answer is coconut. Number 4. Black pepper spice. Then sweet corn dash black pepper is spice. Sweet corn is cereal. Sweet corn is cereal. Cereal is the answer. Well done, children. I hope you all have written correct answers. Please check your answers. Next, answer in brief. First question. What is known as ginning? What is known as ginning? Answer. Ginning is a process of separating the raw fibers from the seed. The fibrous material left after separating cotton seeds is called lint. The lint is then tied and pressed into balls. Next, second question. Give 2 examples for food products made from wheat. Answer. Wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat germ and cracked wheat. Next, third question. What are synthetic fibers? What are synthetic fibers? The fibers made by human beings with the help of chemical process are called synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. These fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum and natural gases. Example, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Next, question number 4. What is known as upthrust? Answer. When an object is immersed into a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. This force is called the upthrust. Next, question number 5. Name the list of whole grains. Answer. Wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley and millets are some of the whole grains. Next, answer in detail. Number 1. Discuss briefly on 3 states of matter. Answer. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter can exist in 3 states. They are solid, liquid and gas. Solid. In solids, molecules are very closely packed. Solids are incompressible. They have defined shape, size and volume. Example, table, book, metals. Next, liquid. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed. Hence, liquids are negligibly compressible. They have defined volume but no defined shape and size. Example, water, milk, petrol. Next, gas. In gases, molecules are very loosely packed. Hence, gases are easily and highly compressible. They do not have defined volume and shape. Example, air, LPG, oxygen. Answer for this question is in your book, page number 111 to 112. So, you write the examples of solid, liquids and gases. Next question, draw a flow chart to indicate the process of making fabrics from cotton ball. The second question answer is in the page number 113. Look at the flow chart. Draw the flow chart. Cotton balls. From ginning process we get cotton fiber. Next, lint. From spinning process we get yarn. Next, weaving we get fabric. The other type, knitting, we get fabric. Okay children, I hope you all have written the correct answers in your book and notebook. Thank you children. Happy learning.